हेलो फ्रेंड्स। इस वीडियो में हम लोग जो फर्स्ट पार्ट में हम लोग माइक्रोब्स के वजह से जो डिजीज़ काज हो रहा था उसके बारे में डिस्कस किए थे। तो इसमें उसी और डिजीज़ को कंटिन्यू करते हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। माइक्रोबियल डिजीज़ ऑफ द कार्डियोवास्कुलर एंड लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम। Bacterial disease. Puerperal sepsis. This is caused by a Streptococcus. Endocarditis subacute. It is mostly alpha hemolytic and bacterial Streptococci. Acute bacterial Staphyloaureus. Pericarditis Streptococcus pyogenes. Rheumatic fever is caused by a Streptococci. Tularemia is caused by Francisella tularensis. Brucellosis is caused by Brucella species. Anthrax is caused by Bacillus anthracis. Gangrene is caused by Clostridium perfringens. And cat scratch disease is caused by Bartonella hanseli. Plague is caused by Yersinia pestis. Lapsing fever is caused by Borrelia species. Lyme disease is caused by Borrelia burgdorferi. So now viral disease. Viral disease. Burkitt's lymphoma is caused by Epstein-Barr virus (EBV). Injectious mononucleosis is caused by EBV. Cytomegalovirus is caused by cytomegalovirus CMV. Yellow fever is caused by arbovirus, yellow fever virus. Dengue is caused by arbovirus and dengue fever virus. Viral hemorrhagic fever, filovirus. In the viral hemorrhagic fever, Marburg, Ebola and Lassa. Hantavirus pulmonary syndrome is caused by C. hantavirus. Protozoan disease. American trypanosomiasis is caused by Trypanosoma cruzi. Zoxoplasmosis is caused by Toxoplasmosis gondii. Malaria is caused by Plasmodium species. Leishmaniasis is caused by Leishmania species. Babesiosis is caused by Babesia microtic. Helminthi's disease. Helminthic disease. In the Helminthic disease, schistosomiasis is caused by Schistosoma species. Schwimmer's H is caused by larvae of Schistosomes. Microbial disease of the upper respiratory system. Microbial disease of the upper respiratory system. A streptococcal pharyngitis is caused by a Streptococci pyogenes. A streptococcal pharyngitis is also called a strep throat. A scarlet fever is caused by erythrogenic toxin producing strains of a streptococcus. Diphtheria is caused by Corina bacterium diphtheriae. Otitis media is caused by Staphylococcus aureus, Streptococcus pneumonia and Haemophilus influenzae. Now fungal disease. In the Now microbial disease of the lower respiratory system. Pertussis, it means whooping cough, is caused by Bordetella pertussis. Tuberculosis is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Pneumococcal pneumonia is caused by a Streptococcus pneumoniae. Haemophilus influenzae is caused by Haemophilus influenzae. Pneumonia is caused by a Streptococcus pneumoniae. Mycoplasmal pneumonia is caused by Mycoplasmal pneumoniae. Legionellosis is caused by Legionella pneumophila. and cytocosis, or is also called, or nithosis, is caused by chlamydia psittaci, and chlamydial pneumonia is caused by chlamydia pneumoniae, and Q fever is caused by Coxiella burnetii, and viral disease, in the viral disease, respiratory syncytial virus is caused by respiratory syncytial virus. Influenza is caused by influenza virus. Now, fungal disease. Fungal disease, in fungal disease, histoplasmosis is caused by Histoplasma capsulatum. Coccidioidomycosis is caused by Coccidioides immitis, and pneumocystis pneumonia is caused by pneumocystic vesi, and blastomycosis is caused by blastomyces dermatitis. सो इस वीडियो में इतना ही, और भी हम लोग माइक्रो बायोलॉजी में इसी चीज़ को, मीन्स की डिजीज़ जो माइक्रोब्स की वजह से होता है, उसको हम लोग कंटिन्यू करेंगे पार्ट 3 में. सो कीप studying, and please do comment, like and subscribe. Thank you.